Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. Now, first you'll have to open Google Tag Manager, and after that, you have to go to tags right here and make sure that you have these both codes, as you can see, and you should copy them for all of your websites. So here I'm gonna click on OK, then I'm gonna click on Preview just in order to see how it looks. Now, after that, here you should put the link of your website. And after that, you should click on Connect right here. And now, in order to connect the Tag Manager to Analytics, you can simply click on your email name right here, then go to Analytics right here, then click on Get It Started. Now you have to click on Start Measuring, and now I have to type the name. Then I'm going to scroll down, then click on Next. And now I have to enter any property name. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to type Zane. I'm going to choose the time zone also. I'm going to choose Egypt, for example. Then I'm going to choose the currency. You can also choose any currency that you need. I'm going to leave it US dollars, then click on Next. And now you will have to select the industry category. I'll choose anything, just click on science, for example, and I will check one of these options, then click on Next. And now we can check more than one option right here. So I'm going to choose sales, user engagement, and retention, then click on create right here. And now you have to just agree for these terms and condition, then check this box. And now you have to scroll down and also agree to these terms and condition too. So check this box, then click on I accept. And now we're all done. By this way, we created our account on Google Analytics. Now let's click on all accounts, then click on this account right here. Just check all these options, then click on save. And now you have to go back to Google Tag Manager right here, then click on tags. And now you have to add a new tag. So I'm going to click on new right here, then I'm going to click on tag configuration. But first I will rename it ZZ, for example. Then I'm going to choose any tag, choose Google Analytics, choose Google Analytics for event. Now I have to enter the measurement ID, event name, etc. Check this box, and here you have many other options. So here, as you can see, you have to click on this plus sign in order to add the measurement ID. So now I will go back to Google Analytics, then search here for the measurement ID. It will be displayed just right here. Just click on it. Then it will show you how you can exactly manage to it. So it will show here the steps. Now I have navigated to admin as they showed me, then click on data streams. And now go to web. Then here you should type the URL of your website or the Google Tag email. And now you have to type anything right here. And after that, click on create and continue. And here you will find the measurement ID. You can simply click on your website like this. Then it will show you the measurement ID. Now you have to copy it. Then just paste it right here. Enter any event name. Let's say that I'm going to enter G4A, for example, G4A. Then click on save. Click on add trigger. And now I have to choose all pages. After you choose all pages, click on save right here. But you should select this one right here. Just make sure that all these sections are filled well. And now click on submit. And after that, you'll have to choose publish right here. Add the name, then add the description, etc. Then click on continue. And after that, we'll show you this loading. And here you'll find the summary of the analytics, and this is how we can actually do it. Now, in order to see the lifetime analytics, you can simply Google Analytics right here, then click on reports, and here you have to click on real-time overview. Then you will be able to see the real-time analytics. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.